Hey everyone, this is Lucy with another video, and in this video I will show you how to change install path of League of Legends. So first you can try going to its website. Go to its website, and when you're in the downloads, click on downloads, and after you click on downloads, set the location of your League of Legends. So like here, I would want it to be in my D drive. You can do it like that. Or if you have your League of Legends already installed, and then you can try going to your file explorer and locate your League of Legends. So here is my League of Legends. I would transfer my Riot, copy them and keep it to my volume Z or whatever I want it in my PC. Another thing you can do is that uninstall League of Legends completely from your PC and go back to your very own League of Legends download website and download it again. So these are few steps to change install of League of Legends in your PC. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, do hit the like button and subscribe for more.